Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you an incredibly quick and easy way to neatly format phone numbers in Google Sheets without using any complicated formulas. If you want to make your spreadsheet look more professional, easier to read, and just a bit more polished, you'll want to stick around. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your entries looking like real US phone numbers in just a few clicks. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you want to start by selecting your list of raw phone numbers inside Google Sheets. Maybe you've imported some data or you've just typed in a bunch of numbers without any dashes, spaces, or parentheses. It's all right, we've all been there, so click and drag to highlight the cells containing those plain phone numbers. If you've got a long list, don't worry, Google Sheets makes this next part very straightforward. Once you've got your numbers selected, head up to the top menu and click on Format. Now you could be tempted to jump straight into formulas, but we're taking a smoother path here. With Format open, look for the option labeled Number. Hover over it and you'll see more choices pop out to the side. You'll want to click on Custom Number Format. This is where the magic really happens. In the box that appears, you can actually type in how you want your numbers to look, no math or coding required. For US phone numbers, a classic look is something like 123 456 7890. So in the field, type this exact pattern, open parenthesis, 3 number signs, close parenthesis, space, 3 more number signs, dash, and then 4 number signs, so it looks like hash hash hash. Those number signs act as placeholders for whatever digits are in your cells. Now take a moment here to make sure everything looks right. These little symbols really tell Google Sheets how to display your data. This part might feel a little unfamiliar, but don't stress if it's your first time using custom formats, it's surprisingly powerful. Once you've entered your custom format, go ahead and hit Apply. Just like that, your raw numbers should instantly reformat. Instead of a string of digits like 2,125,557,890, each entry is now displayed as 212,555,7890. It's such a small change, but it makes reading, sorting, and sharing your phone list so much easier, kind of like updating from plain coffee to a carefully crafted latte. If you notice anything that looks off, maybe a number is too short or too long, double-check your data to make sure every entry has exactly 10 digits. Otherwise, Google Sheets might not know how to fit the numbers into your chosen pattern. And don't worry if your formatting didn't show up right away. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, especially on larger sheets. That's it, no formulas, no fuss, just a few quick clicks and a little custom formatting. Now your Google Sheets are ready for business, and you've added that extra layer of clarity and professionalism. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below if you have any more Google Sheets questions or spreadsheet challenges you'd like to see solved. Subscribe for more bite-sized, practical walkthroughs like this, and I'll see you in the next video.